Back with another video. I'm on my way to go get a haircut right now. And then after, I'm about to go take some pictures of the car and shit. So, damn, I should have brought my drone. I forgot my drone, bro. Oh nah, that's 12 right there. Let me close my valves real quick. Let me close my valves. These niggas be on dick. I just heard something fell. I wonder what that is. Shit, hugging them corners, boy. Probably gonna go over there and take some pictures after. Damn. Last time I went over there was no. Man, that's gonna be fire. Damn. That shit sound mad today. I ain't even had time for a cut. Niggas just been outside with this car shit. Niggas just been going to car meet. Just making videos, meeting new people. I ain't even had time for a cut. But now, we finna go in here and get a cut real quick. Damn, look at my shit right now. Let me take my ND out so y'all can see this motherfucker. Damn. It's been past time for a cut. But we finna go in here real quick, get this haircut, and we finna go take some pictures, man. I'm gonna catch y'all. Man, I ain't got a cut in so long, I forgot what a haircut felt like. Bro, I ain't got a cut in so long, I forgot what a haircut felt like, bro. The back of my, whoa, what the fuck is that? Right now the back of my neck burning like a motherfucker, bro. I should have went over to the right.
What's poppin', bro?
What's good, gang? You vlogging right now.
You wanna vlog?
Huh?
You recording right now?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, bro. Good though?
What, you live out this way?
Middletown.
Oh.
Just got some America's best wings.
I just got a cut, bro. My fucking, this shit burned, gang.
Yeah, the razor, the alcohol.
Yeah. Shit. I might be going out later, but I don't know. I should be editing some shit. What's up with that M3, bro?
It's coming, bro. about to get C63 though.
C63?
He was in Jersey like 2 days ago at a dealership.
Alright, gang. I was trying to see if he wanna come over here and shoot, but I know ain't nobody finna come in here, bro. Finna put the windows down. We finna take some pics right now, bro. Put that joint there. I'm about to put this. Oh, look at that shit, man. Yo, I wish I had my fucking drone so I could take some picture. This shit look fire right here, bro. We finna just take some pictures of the car. Today I got the A74 with me with the Sigma 50 mil. You feel what I'm saying? But I got a couple offers for this car, bro. But I don't know, bro. I kind of want to keep the car, but I kind of want something new for the channel, low key. But man, when I look at this car every time, it's like I don't want to sell the car, bro. Like, look at this shit, bro. How do y'all feel about me selling this car for a new car for the channel, man? I'm gonna walk y'all into how I take my pics. Not how, but I'm gonna just take some pics and put some like before and after the edit pictures up on the screen. And yeah, man, we finna vibe out. Vibe out. Let me flip the screen out, because I can't see that shit. Nah, I need to go home and grab my drone and come back here, bro. Low key. I ain't gonna lie. Let's just get one with the car, like, right here. But I'm telling you, last time I came here with this car didn't look nothing like this shit, bro. At all. I'm definitely about to go get my drone and come back.
I'm gonna call you in like an hour. Let me just finish up my real quick.
Alright, bet.
Yo, I'm gonna call you. We gonna get on Discord tonight so I can chop that vid up.
Nigga, I'm finna edit this right after I get home.
Edit that drone vid. We coming down, bro.
Huh?
I'll call you nigga.
Alright, bet. Look at this shot right here. Oh my god. I don't know if y'all can see it right now, but I'm gonna put it up on the screen for sure. I'm gonna get one underexposed, and I'm gonna get one. Yo, I'm definitely gonna get my drone, come back here, and make some videos of the car. I gotta get one from every angle, gang. Pause. Hey. I ain't gonna lie, this is a lovely spot to shoot at. Ooh. We could probably do a little dig down here or something. Oh nah, not right there. There's a little bump right there, bro. We could probably do one right here. Like a little short ass dig. Ready? Kick it down to the floor. Oh my god. thought that was a cop. That's a whole fire truck. Let's see how well the cars hold the corner, bro. No brake. No brake. Don't do it, gang. No brake. Downshift. No brake. Yo. I hate when people drive like this. You already know what's about to happen right here. About time, gang. Definitely got a year right here. Motherfuckers be coming in hot right here, boy. You hurry the fuck up. You could feel when all that boost kick in, bro. They should be kicking your ass back. Oh, what is that? That's the perks of having a low car, bro. You never know what you gonna hit. If you could just be randomly driving and you could just get a lip yesterday. You could just be driving like normal and then you just run over some shit and then boom. That's a whole $300 fucking lip right there, bro. I'm almost home though, so if y'all do enjoy this vlog, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm back on my consistent shit. Back with this consistency, bro. Every day. Not even every day. Just expect a vlog at least every 2 days, every 3 days. I don't want to keep dropping the same shit every day for y'all, unless y'all want me to. But me, myself, I feel like all the POVs I've been dropping sometimes, I just feel like they don't hit the same because it's the same thing. Unless I get to go to a meet or something, I don't be outside, bro. So, you know what I'm saying?